Korbel Winery has been around since 1882, so we've been in business for about 130 years. And, we want to be a business that's going to be around for another 130 years. So we have to think about everything we do, from the way we process grapes, the way we make wine, and that includes also our wastewater system, and make sure that we're running that efficiently and doing a good job both for the winery and for the environment. Wine is a food product, so all of the equipment that's used to process the wine, it has to be very thoroughly cleaned every day that we use it. And so this is where a majority of the water is coming from.
Traditionally, they use a facultative pond system, and they'll use floating aerators. And so they're really not trying to get a whole BOD digestion. You're trying to create a dissolved oxygen cap on top to hinder odors mostly.
In a typical winery scenario, the wastewater ponds use a lot of power, and the typical aerators that are used are transferring very little oxygen into the pond. You only have an efficiency of maybe 5 or 7%, maybe even lower. And with this new system we have with the aerators being at the bottom of the pond, we are approximately tripling the efficiency of the transfer.
I had received an email from PG&E based on the WET program that was available, and from there I contacted Base Energy, and for free they came out and did a preliminary study on our energy usage and our pond numbers and our current system, and gave us the information that basically said that if we implemented Glenn's system, it would be about a year payback with the rebates and all the energy savings, so it was hard to pass up at that point. So the new system consists of a 50 horsepower blower on the surface next to the ponds, and then it goes underneath the road where it connects to 6 manifolds that go and run underneath the water to about a couple feet above the bottom of the pond, and from there it spreads out into a grid. In the shed that's right next to the blower, we have a monitor that provides us a readout, and it's connected to the VFD so that we can see that the ponds are maintaining a DO of 2. Maintenance costs are down. That if we ever decide to expand our production, we could do that very easily instead of, coming up with ideas like building a third pond or, anything like that. We are able to expand much more easily with this system.
A project like this where we save energy, we reduce emissions of carbon dioxide, we're improving water quality, and by the way, we save money and are more profitable. What's wrong with that? It's a great system.